Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working on my very first layout for my scrap therapy book. This is going to be number 2 for me, and I'm going to be using the Citrust twist kit from the month of October, which was titled Flourish. I've been working Halloween stuff non-stop and I kind of need a break. Honestly, part of me is like, okay, I'm kind of ready for Christmas, but I know that I have to start this because I have a few pictures that I've been collecting and I don't want to get even further behind. And so I'm going to be creating my very first layout, probably my introduction page. I don't know. I don't have much time and I want to keep it simple. So many of you guys probably already know this. For those of you that don't know, I'm going to explain. A lot of brand companies like this, when you get a subscription kit, they have designers for the brand. And a lot of these designers that get chosen create these challenges and they make a sketch for you to work with. So because I don't have a lot of time, and I want to start working on this and getting pages loaded in here, I am going to be following a sketch, and I just wanted to mention that and give you guys an idea, because sometimes at least for me, sometimes the layouts don't come naturally, and before you know it, 1 hour, 2 hours have elapsed and you're still changing paper pattern. You're still figuring things out. You're still struggling to just come up with the layout. So it's perfectly okay that you use the sketches. That's why it's a challenge, right? So I am going to be using this sketch right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that. And it is by Mari. Sorry, I'm gonna totally mispronounce this, but Mari V Scrap. And this is again from the Citrust Twist Kit Instagram page. But the person that designed it, I believe, is at Mari V Scrap. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And she made her little layout, her little design, and then she made the challenge, and this is the sketch that she came up with. So I am going to be using this as a reference. Obviously, I don't have like all the same stuff, and I don't know which kit she ended up using, but I'm gonna end up using the one for October. Now, the album that Susan was kind enough to give me has pages that are bigger. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the paper for the kit, and this is 6 by 8. So when you put it here, you see how much, like just in comparison, look how small the paper is to the actual album. You guys know that I usually like a very small border around. So what I'm gonna do is, I believe I'm gonna cut my own paper, maybe 7 by 9, and then you make that the basic background. Maybe a white one would be perfect, and then just either sew or glue the 6 by 8s on top of it, and that gives me like a nice border around it. So we'll see how that works out. I gotta figure out what size of pages I want for this album, so I'm gonna be playing around with that. So anyways, so I'm gonna follow the sketch, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode. Again, this is a great idea to look up the sketch challenges that these companies offer, and when you don't have time, you're busy, but at the same time, for me, at least this is true for me, I don't want to get even further behind on pictures and just start scrapbooking and documenting everything. So this is a great way so that it saves you time from overthinking and starting from scratch, from zero, on how you're going to create your layout. And I don't think there's anything wrong with this. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like that's the whole reason why they put them out there, is because it's a challenge for you to design something like it. So I don't think that's wrong or that that's copying. I mean, why even make it a challenge? You know what I mean? And so anyways, so I'm gonna be working on that, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode so that I could gather the background paper for this, and then we'll see you guys at the end when all of this is put together and done. So see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so here is my final look at the layout. Let me bring over my scrap therapy binder here so that I can put it away. And this is not going to be my title or my introduction page, but it is my first layout. Sorry, I know that's kind of noisy, but I just wanted to point it out to you guys that you can definitely use the challenge sketches as a reference, and they don't always turn out the same. Like, yes, this sketch was helping me, but as you guys can see, it didn't quite turn out the way that the sketch looked. You see that? I don't have that piece up here, and I don't have a little banner, but that's okay because you end up adding your own twist and your own persona into your layouts. So here's what mine looks like, and what I want you to take away from this video is when you don't have enough time or you're in a crunch but you still want to craft, go ahead and use the sketch challenges as your reference for creating your layouts. I think it saves you so much time. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.